Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Amma Akali. Today I am come with yet another easy to make recipe, Jeera Rice. First of all, my sincere apology for the delay in uploading the video as renovation work is going on in my house. So let's get started. Jeera Rice requires very few ingredients. The one which you are seeing here, a little bit of coriander leaves, onion, green chilies, Jeera and the jeera and spices. Here I soaked and washed and soaked the basmati rice for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a kadai, take a generous amount of ghee. This full recipe is being prepared in ghee only. In ghee only this recipe gives a nice taste. Now adding in a few spices, a bay leaf, a cinnamon stick, a badi elaichi, 3 to 4 cloves. Give a quick mix. Now add a tablespoon of Jeera. This is the key ingredient here, along with a teaspoon of jeera. Nicely saute it in the ghee. Jeera in the ghee gives a nice aroma. Now add in finely chopped onion. I've taken a big onion which I've finely chopped. Now I'm sauteing it in the ghee till it changes its color. Then please do subscribe my channel if you haven't, and share it with your friends. And I couldn't upload any videos as renovation work going on in my house, so I'll try and uploading the video every week. Now I'm adding 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies along with chopped coriander leaves. Coriander leaves, I'm adding it here only instead of in the end for garnishing, because the coriander leaves, once fried in the ghee, leaves a nice aroma and adds an extra flavor to the dish. So saute it in the ghee. Then now add the washed and soaked basmati rice here. Now the coriander leaves are fried. Now I'm adding the basmati rice. Prefer the long grain rice because this jeera rice goes good with the long grain rice only. Give a quick mix. Please ensure that you don't break the rice grains here. Slightly carefully, just a minute, not even a minute, some 30 seconds like that. Now as I took a cup of rice, I'm adding 2 cups of water, 1:2 ratio, so 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to add the rock salt. For any rice recipes, you prefer the rock salt because the rock salt gives nice taste, added taste in place of the ordinary normal salt. So give a quick mix. Keep the lid on a high flame. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes until the water starts boiling and comes close. Now again keep the lid and simmer the flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. The rice gets quick cooked. So this recipe is done in almost less than half an hour. See, all the moisture is gone and the rice is nicely cooked. Now I am adding a small capsicum which I have sauteed in ghee. Ensure that you retain the crunch of the capsicum. The capsicum in the jeera rice gives nice aroma, nice flavor. So definitely do add the capsicum. In most of the recipes the capsicum is not added, but here you add, you already see the difference. Let it rest for 10 minutes. After giving a rest of 10 minutes,